everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you an amazing drink that when you drink it, people are going to be thinking that you're 16, even if you're 50, 60, 40, thereabouts. People are gonna be thinking that you're 16 because it's going to help to glow your skin. It's gonna help to make your skin look younger. It's gonna help to make your skin look like a baby skin, and it's going to clean your cologne and make you really light and beautiful, literally. So you're not gonna be missing this. You wouldn't want to miss this particular drink, I tell you, because it's so healthy. All right guys, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let's go. So with this, everybody would think that you are 16 years old, even if you're 60, 50, 40, 35. Everybody will think that you're 16 years old with this drink that I'm gonna be showing you. It's actually very good, and it tastes great too, and it does a whole lot of stuff to your body. Okay, so we're gonna be using this, and this is pear. This is not avocado, okay, this is pear. So you're gonna be cutting it this way. So now you're going to be cutting it in cubes. So we're going to set this aside. The very next ingredient we're going to be using is going to be carrot. We're going to use just a little of this carrot, although there's not much carrot in the market now, so the carrots we can get, they're just very tiny. Yeah, so now because of the beta carotene in carrot, it actually helps in making you look young. Now when you're consistent in taking carrots, you're going to see a huge result. Now some of these fruits that I'm showing you guys, I know most of you guys know them, but the only difference is that you've actually not been taking them that much, so don't overlook it. What you need to do is that immediately I finish showing you this drink, you have to look at them in a very high esteem and use them just like I've just told you, and you're going to see a huge changes in your body, on your face and on your skin. That's if you are actually complaining that you're looking older than yourself or your age, or you're looking older than you should be. You should have been looking younger and stuff, After which you finish this, you're going to testify, you're going to thank me. Okay guys, so I'm going to be turning it into the blender, and then we're going to be adding in enough water to blend. Alright guys, so after that, then we're gonna sieve it out. Because we're not going to be taking plus the shaft, but if you want to take the shaft, it's actually going to satisfy you, so you can equally, take it plus the fiber. So this is it. This eye is looking brownish. So we're equally going to be needing to use orange. Now with this, everybody would think that you are 16, okay? So do not skip orange in this. Make sure that you impute it, okay? Because it's actually very, very important and it's very necessary too. So you can take as much orange as you would want, but I'm going to be taking just one orange because the orange has a lot of water this time. So this is the orange and this is the carrot and pear. Okay guys, so you need papaya. Now papaya is going to be the one to do everything in this drink. It's going to help to activate it and make it work like magic, okay? So this is pawpaw. We call it pawpaw, okay? And I'm sure you know it as papaya. Okay, so you take your papaya and then you cut it into pieces. So I'm going to be putting in water to be able to blend this and blend it real good. Okay guys, so that is ready and I'm gonna be turning it into a cup. Yeah, and this is my pear and carrot, and this is my orange. Now after that is done, then I have to mix it all up. And your younger body remedy is ready. Your drink is ready to make you look young, sweet 16. Okay guys, so for this particular one, you can actually drink it every day. You can actually make it and store it in your fridge so that every morning you stand up, you take one glass like this, you drink it, and then you stay for a little while before you would have to eat, okay? So you stay for a little long while before you eat, at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. But drink this every morning to get that sweet 16 body. It's going to reduce your fat, it's going to make you look healthy, it's going to make you look young, and it's going to make you look really, really beautiful from the outside. People are going to be thinking that you're 16 even if you're 60. Do you get that? Okay guys, so that's it. Go give this a go. All of the ingredients in here are natural and they are very, very effective and wonderful. Okay, so drink this and allow people to wonder whether you are 16, 15, 14, 12, 13, just name them. Okay, this is actually very healthy, it tastes good too, and I love it so much. Okay, so go give this a try. I'm sure you're not going to be regretting you did. You're going to be loving it. Okay, so that's it. If you do love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.